Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Sew What You Like. I am your girl, Mari Mouse. All right. Hope everyone is doing well and swell out there. Did y'all miss me saying that? I kind of miss saying it, so I thought I'd throw that in there. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support to my return subscribers. All right, and in this video, as I mentioned in the last video, I have been making some things, besides those hacks that I showed you guys in the last video. So I'm just going to kind of go over a few of the things that I was working on and show you that material that I mentioned in the previous video. All right, so if you want to see some of the makes that I made while I was away, okay, and the material that I promised to show you guys from out of the country, keep on watching. All right, and the first thing up is I mentioned I had to do some back to school sewing, okay? So my daughter, she's a senior this year, and she has her TNT patterns, okay? She's got, like, when it comes to shirts, maybe about 2 or 3 of them. One being McCall's 8003. All right, and so View B is her favorite, okay? So she requested 4 of View C's for 8003, okay? I obliged because I'm mommy, right? I made her 4. She got to pick out her fabric. We went to find fabric. She picked out her fabric, and mommy got to sew it. And I'm going to insert pictures, okay, of the 4 tops that I made. She loved them. To be honest with you, I kind of loved them too and wanted to be like, are you sure you want all 4 of them? Can I keep like 2? But then she would say, you can just make your own, right? And the next one that I made was Mimi G's 9778. All right, I made a combination. So I made View A, which is this one right here. I made View A, but I added the sleeves. At first, I didn't know if I wanted to add the sleeves, but then trying to make the most out of the material, I just went ahead and added the sleeves. Now, I do have a picture of me in this dress. It's with my sister, so I will insert the picture of me in the dress. And when I tell you guys, the funny thing behind this dress, I really, like when it comes to Mimi G patterns and even the Nomi patterns, I will not throw the instructions out the way, but I'm full on YouTube tutorial, okay? If it's something that I feel like I'm going to have an issue with. So for this one, I went straight to the tutorial. And lo and behold, me and Mimi G used the same freaking fabric. How about that, okay? I couldn't believe it. I was like, great minds think alike. So yeah, so that was exciting to see that we used the same material. I got that fabric in Chicago in June from Rainbow Fabric, okay? So I was like, well, looky there, okay? So that is something else I made, and I did wear that when I was back in Chicago earlier this month for the baby shower. I'm gonna show a few fabrics that I've picked up and also the out of country fabric, okay? So the first one I want to show you is this right here. I just think that this is gorgeous. Y'all see that? I love the green in there. These y'all know I'm a flower. I love flowers. I just, oh, the gold on there just is so nice. And I have cut into this fabric, but I can't wait to show you guys what I made with it. Cross your fingers. Hopefully it turns out the way I want, because this is kind of an out of the box sew. It's me pushing myself to do things out of the box, okay? So hopefully in my next video, I will have it all sewn up and you'll get to see it. So that's a piece, okay? And then these next 2 fabrics, I picked up when I was in Chicago. I finally got a chance to visit the warehouse in Chicago, and it was okay for me. I don't know that I need to go back there again. I wasn't impressed. Okay, maybe because I'm spoiled, you know, and living in Chicago, I never really ventured, you know, to the fabric stores because I wasn't, my interest in sewing hadn't come back. Okay, and so I never really ventured to the fabric stores. Rainbow Fabrics is okay. It's a little, some stuff is a little pricey. Oftentimes, I won't buy fabric if I'm out of town, if I know that I could probably get it back in Georgia for cheaper, okay? So that's just my rule. So, but what I haven't really been able to find here is gabardine. And so I was able to find some red gabardine. And, okay, me, mom, and my sister-in-law were trying to figure out. This looks like a black, but then in certain lighting, it looks like almost like a midnight blue. So I don't know. But yes, gabardine. Have been looking for that, so I was excited to see that. And then this next piece is a knit piece that I picked up that I saw on Fabric Mart. And I just thought it was so cute. And I want to say this is like a ITY, maybe. I feel like it's ITY. It's a knit. So I feel like it's an ITY. Okay, or a jersey or something like that. Either ITY or jersey. But I just thought that that print was so gorgeous. And so I picked up that. And last but not least is the fabric that Mama Mari Mills brought me back from the Paris, okay, Francais. Are y'all ready? Here it is. I think this is so cute, and I thank her so much for bringing this back for me. The colors remind me of like a sherbet almost. And so I think that this is the right side. Can we focus here? I think that that is the right side. Let me see. You know what? I'm gonna have to figure it out, but I think that this right here is the right side of the fabric, and this is the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, but let me open it up so you guys can get a better look at it. How gorgeous is that? And I have not a clue what I want to make with it yet. It's got a slight stretch to it. Okay, guys, it has a slight stretch to it. You know, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. But, yeah. Not sure what I'm going to make with it. If I do, it probably won't be until next summer because I'm trying to wrap up the summer sewing, okay? Not that I want the cold weather to come so soon, but I want it to cool down here in Georgia, and I really want my electricity bill to cool down, okay? So, yes, guys, this is the fabric here. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it, but I will get that figured out, and that'll be for next spring or summer. Okay? All right, guys. So that concludes this video. Short and sweet. All right. I have been paying attention to the analytics, and little birdie told me y'all don't really like a lot of long videos. So I'm going to try to shorten the videos if I can. Okay. So, yes, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and stay blessed. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the fabric, the pictures I inserted showing the makes. Okay, help us sister out. Thumbs up. And if you're new here, been here 1, 2, or 3 times, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell so you are notified when I upload another video. Until next time. Oh, y'all see my top? Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.